Sunrise at Castlepoint.
I see a lighthouse out there. Climb up to that today.
Everybody have an explore of some fossils.
Ooh, fossils.
Well, good morning from Castlepoint. This is an amazing little beach. I had no idea that it looked like this. So we've got a little protected cove in here with just a tiny little entrance. Dada has found a little wave over there, so he's off to have a surf. The kids are having a dig, as only kids can do. And I'm just going to enjoy a bit of a relaxing time in the sun.
Down and almost destroyed it. Luckily,
No swimming for me today. That water is icy cold and there's a wind and it's not a waterfall, so I'm not going to go for a swim.
That was mean. Good times in the surf. And now I feel $1 million.
There's a hill that I really want to walk up.
Another hill that she wants to walk up.
The kids are keen too.
we're going to walk to that lighthouse. And Daddy's back.
How is this awesome tractor? Bit of Kiwi ingenuity right there.
This is kind of weird. I don't know why. It's just weird.
Look where the exhaust pipes are.
And obviously this guy likes his motors because check it out.
These boats are so funny.
Beautiful, easy walk up to Castlepoint Lighthouse.
1913 this lighthouse was built, so this one's a bit newer than the one we saw yesterday.
Goodness, you're so knowledgeable.
So knowledgeable. And it's 23 metres high and can be seen for 26 nautical miles. Oh my goodness! So it was automated in 1988. Gosh, that reminds me of Expo 88. So there was a lighthouse keeper here until 1988. Wow.
Gosh, you are just an encyclopedia of knowledge, aren't you?
Yeah.
What happened to the, at the lighthouse?
The lighthouse keeper fell off the edge of the lighthouse and now he's dead and his ghost is still here.
Ooh, scared? Scared?
No!
Sure?
2 million years old? Yow. Ow. Yow.
What I can tell you is those big fossils over there are now only found in the very cold and deep water of the South Island.
We're in the shelter right now, but just out there,
Check
crazy.
this out.
And Mama gets it wish. We are climbing up the official Castlepoint rock. She must have been a mountain goat in a former life. So if we see a hill, she wants to climb it. So there's no way I'm going to take her to Nepal. There's my fun out down there. We reckon we've gone far enough because it's a bit scary up here. We're pretty close to the edge. Check it out. Oh, that is a nasty fall a long way down to the sea.
You can't really come all the way to Castle Point and not climb Castle Rock, right?
Yeah, I suppose.
So here we are. I'm going to say this is the top of Castle Rock.
When I went up there, it was just like a huge, like, straight down there, didn't he?
That was a bit
That's when
scary.
I scared.
And Zaylee, what was your experience of walking up the hill?
You didn't even walk, you just got carried. It was really cold.
Join us next time as we head home, but in classic Vanna style. We get up to stuff, we check out some windmills, Bricks finally gets to see some big eels, and he's found a super duper awesome hidden mountain bike track. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Catch up.